So I attended NNU twice, actually. In my undergrad, I attended from 2003 to about 2007, graduated in 2007 with a bachelor's degree in nursing, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. And then again, just finished my master's program, the nurse practitioner program, this past summer, so in 2024. I feel like there's so many numerous ways in how I was impacted, with my time at NNU. And I think one of the ways that we do college differently here is just kind of creating this atmosphere and these avenues for really deeper connection and for things that are more than just educational, and really kind of help transform people's hearts and minds. And that was something that I experienced. As a nurse of 17 years, being able to recognize, when I come across a patient who's struggling in whatever capacity, being able to connect with them on more of a heart level as well as meet their physical needs. And that was something that was really instilled in me as an NNU undergraduate. And then in our master's program, something that was kind of fostered on an even deeper level in various ways. And that's been really powerful. So myself, being a clinical instructor here with NNU as well, it's given me an opportunity to lean into students in a similar fashion and really help support them on a deeper level, how that influence then has a ripple effect. Here in the Valley, a lot of employers are seeking out NNU nursing students because of the reputation, because of the high quality of education that we are giving to our students, and because of the life transformation. And so when people invest in NNU, they're investing in our future, investing in the health of the lives of not only those right here in Idaho, but around the world. We're able to improve not only the lives of these students, but the difference that they make in our healthcare system and in the lives of all throughout the nation, throughout the world. And it's a really, really powerful thing when we invest in NNU.